How to check which devices are currently logged into your X account. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see all active sessions on X and review your account login activity. First, open the X app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, tap Security and Account Access. Now select Apps and Sessions, then tap on Sessions. Here, you may not see any active login on my device, but on your account, you will see all logged-in sessions. If you notice any unfamiliar session on your X account, simply tap on it to view the details. If you notice a device that you don't recognize, it's a good idea to review your account security and sign out of that session if necessary. And that's how to check X login devices and view active sessions on your X account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X Twitter tips, account security guides, and social media tutorials.